you want to make sure that each step is repeatable, that you can have automated time-based tasks. If you have a snail mail that goes out each quarter, then that should be based on specific targeting criteria that you've established with your franchise, right? So that should be followed up by automatic and manual emails, right? So some emails can be just automatic, but once you've been touching a prospect for a while and you're further down the funnel, you should have a task to send an email, and it should be a highly customized email, not automated. Call tasks based on engagement. That's what I just went through. You want to make sure that anybody through your multi-channel campaign, if they're engaging with your content, if they're engaging with your outreach, and that's trackable, that you get a sales task based on that engagement. So if you've nailed your targeting and everyone who's entered into a multi-channel campaign is a qualified HVAC owner, if they're engaging with your content, you have to know that, and you have to set up the right sales task to make sure that you are notified and you can get them while they're actually interested. Social touches will be covering how that works in a multi-channel campaign. It's different in business acquisition and sale. Digital marketers will typically recommend social engagement that more often than not just doesn't work in business acquisition and sale, but there are tactics, specifically with LinkedIn mostly, right? That's really what we care about when we talk about business acquisition and sale. There are tactics that do work, that are really effective for establishing yourself as a qualified authority on this platform. And meeting scheduling, if you don't have Calendly or some sort of tool, you should.